If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking onto my video. So in today's video we're going to make a chicken roast. So first we're going to get our butter and we're just going to mash it to soften it up a bit, and we're going to add our rosemary and our diced garlic. We're just going to mix that all together. After that, we're gonna add our thyme and parsley. We're also just gonna mix everything together just like that. Just make sure the butter and the herbs are all mixed together. Once everything is mixed, we're going to season with salt and black pepper, and you just have to mix it together again. Next, we're going to add our chicken spice, and then we're just going to mix it together, and after that you just set it aside. Now you take your full chicken, you just wash it and dry it. Just make sure it's dry. And now you take the butter mixture and you just rub it all over the chicken. This was a bit difficult for me because the butter, for whatever reason, was not sticking onto the chicken. So yeah, but just make sure you do it. Make sure you rub the butter all over the chicken, like just put a lot of butter on the chicken. Flip it on the other side, rub butter. Also make sure that you get under the skin, pull the skin, and under the skin just add butter as well. It gives so much flavor to the chicken, so just add butter underneath the skin as much as you can. Just do it. And also guys, please make sure that you subscribe, share, comment and like my video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Cooking with Rutendo. Thank you. Once you're done rubbing butter all over your chicken, now we're going to stuff the chicken. I used 3 garlic cloves and I used half an onion, but then I cut it in quarter, and I also used 1 whole lemon that I cut in half. You can also cut it in quarters if you want, whichever works for you. And then I also added a few stems of thyme and rosemary. After stuffing the chicken, I took a string. I got mine from Checkers, but I'm sure you can buy them in any grocery stores. And then I was just tying the legs. This part was also difficult because I don't know what was going on, but yeah, eventually it worked. So you have to make sure that you tie the legs together like that. Once you're done tying your chicken, get one stock. I used one chicken stock and I just added boiling water. It has to be equivalent to a cup, but then as you can see, I added a little bit, and I wanted the stock to dissolve first, and then I added the remaining to make it a cup. Pour all of the chicken stock into the baking tray. I use the stock because it helps keep the chicken moist. You're gonna see what I mean, like when we're baking it and stuff like that. And then now cook the chicken for 30 minutes at 180. 30 minutes later, you're going to remove your chicken from the oven, and you're going to spoon the butter sauce all over your chicken. This is just gonna help keep the chicken moist like throughout the whole cooking process. Then after that, I added some potatoes, but then later on you're going to see that I removed some of them because I just thought they were too much, and I also wanted to add Brussels sprouts, so I removed some of the potatoes and I replaced them with Brussels sprouts. Add back the chicken in the oven and cook for about 30 more minutes. And there you have it. Our chicken is perfectly cooked. The skin is looking so crispy, golden crispy, I don't know, whatever you call it. And then I'm just gonna spoon more of that butter sauce all over the chicken. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna get better at this voiceover things. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.